He's rebel. Look at how handsome that man is. Oh, check this out. So I got this. I got a steak. And like I feel like eating some meat, so I'm gonna eat some meat today. And oh man, there's a bone in there and everything. That's Rebels, 100%. Isn't that so fucking nice? I don't know that blue thing on there is. I'm about to eat it. Look at how polite Rebels be. He's not even looking at me. And that's a car. Okay, Rebel, I'll cut yours off. That's Rebel's piece. Because we're wild animals, that's why. We don't live by the rules of society.
All right. You okay?